Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language only in the Reminders app on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So if you want to change the language only in the Reminders app, what you want to do is to go to your settings, then swipe down and tap on the reminders. Then you want to go to the language, and then you want to select a different language that you want to set only for this app. In this section you are going to find the languages that are already on your phone, like you have those languages in the main setup of setting up language of your phone. As you can see, I have quite a lot of them. I'm going to set Polish right now for reminders only. As you can see, the rest of the system stays in English, and now reminders should be in Polish. And they are in Polish right now. So, well, once again, how you want to get to the setting. So open main settings, swipe down, tap on reminders, and then go to the language. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.